Kagising ko lang. Mag-aalas 2 ng hapon. Maaga ako natulog, mga alas 7 ata tulog na ako. Eh, nagugutom ako. Sorry, nagugutom talaga ako. So, ito na, gagawin na natin yung burger steak. Yan. Pinipare ko na yung cast iron ko. Ano ba kailangan ko? Butter. And then, yung aking herbs. Tsaka asin, paminta. Okay, bago yan. Diba, nakikita niyo ba? Okay. So, this is the Highlands Gold na beef patties made with Angus beef. Itong, wala yung anak ko. Kala ko nandito siya. Pagkising ko wala akong kasama. So let's open this. So, ganito siya. 4 patties. And dalawa kakainin natin. Yung dalawa reserve para kay Nina. Ang lambot na ng patty. But before we cook it, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Yan. So I have here sea salt from La Baraka. Paminta. Ay, masyadong malalaki. So, make it fine. Ang lalaki. Masyadong maluwang. Okay. Okay. So, I have my cast iron. So, I have my cast iron. And, pasensya na, phone muna yung ginagamit kong pang-record kasi hindi ako nakapag-charge ng camera. So, we have our burger patties. Okay? Now, so let's turn this on. Kailangan ko ng pot holder kasi hindi ko pwedeng hawakan to. Okay, so you need a pot holder and we need a little bit of oil. Okay. Na-season na itong cast iron ko, so it should be non-stick. So you have to have it really hot. Pero hindi masyadong laban na laban yung apoy. And what? Tanggalan ko lang konting oil. Kasi still gonna put butter. So the oil is basically just to coat the pan. Okay, yan. Muusok na siya. So once it's kind of smoky, that's when we'll add our patty. Okay. Okay, let's do this muna one at a time kasi mga hindi siya kasha. So you're just gonna sear the patty. Since it's seasoned and we added oil, hindi siya masyadong dumikit o kahit ganyan yung tugin. O, diba? Lagay natin sa gitna. So let's wait for like 30 seconds. So diba, we added salt and pepper on one side. I'm gonna add rosemary on the other side. Ooh, gusto ko marami. Fine. Ilang seconds na ba? 30 seconds na. Okay, let's flip. Look at that. Just yung butter ko again. So that's when we add our butter. Okay. So tanggalin na natin to. Sobra na. Sobra na sa butter. Yan po. Add more rosemary kasi gusto ko talaga to. Kasi, patayin ko na. It's gonna continue cooking kasi sobrang init pa ng pan. I'm gonna flip. Like that. Okay. So, here is what we are going to do. I'm gonna drizzle that. So this is our burger steak. But of course, I'm gonna cook the other burger steak pa. So, I'll get back to you para kainin na natin to. This is the burger steak. And we're gonna let it rest for siguro mga 5 to 7 minutes kasi naluluto pa yan sa loob. Sobrang init pa yan sa loob. Okay? So, this is what I've been eating. Take a look. Siguro mga 3 days ko nang kinakain to. Pero syempre, mas okay sana kung steak talaga. Kaso, hindi mo tayo pwede kumain ng steak araw-araw. Tsaka, I can chew it kasi naka-braces ako. And what if makachamba ka ng steak na hindi ganon ka-tender? Sarap ng juices niya. Buttery. Gone. It's cooked. I cooked it for like what? 5 minutes? 7 minutes? Oh my God, sarap. I tried seasoning both sides last time. Medyo maalat. So, sabi ko, just gonna season one side and then the other side yung rosemary natin. This is so much better. Sarap. That was the first one that I cooked. Ito yung pangalawa. Let's check. It's cooked. 5-7 minutes. Oh my God. Like I'm devouring this, like I don't care. Wala akong pakialam kung sabihin niyo matakaw ako. Sasarapan ako. I think I posted the video kung ilang calories, ilang carbs, ilang fat, ilang protein ito. So, just go and check that video. Short lang naman. Ini-stock mo na nga lang ako eh. Panoorin mo na. Okay. Sarap. Kasi nakatulog ako maaga. Tapos, mga 1:30 ganun. Nagising na ako. Nood muna ng TikTok. 9 o'clock pa yung pasok ko ng gabi. But, gusto kong pumunta dun ng maaga. Pero matutulog pa muna ako ulit. Kulang pa yung tulog ko. Nagutom lang talaga ako. Unreal. Harap. Walang subo na lang. So good. Dati bumibili pa ako ng ng mga sausages. Right? Ano yan? Hungarian, Shuglig, mga ganyan, bratwurst. Pero those are technically good sausages. Pero mas okay na to. God, sarap. Okay. That's it for our low carb keto meal today. Dalas niya ako makikita nag-video na kumakain ito. Okay. See ya!